Okay, welcome to my screen. Let me quickly show you how you can create a business flyer for your company or business. But today I'm going to make use of this second prompt that I have here. Create a modernistic flyer. Let me zoom what I have here so that you can see it sharply. My zoom is too small, it's too much. Okay, create a modernistic flyer for my company diagnostic center. They can chat or call our office line for more inquiries, or visit our office for all kinds of medical checkup. My company name is Prefect. I purposely use the word Prefect. Prefect Scan Diagnostic Center. My phone number is blah blah as a sample, so that it will be like I'm advertising someone's business. All right, my phone number is this, email address blah blah blah, a sample email address. And enjoy all this information that I put there are basically for the flyer to look very catching and hooking. So enjoy discount fee for all scan done on every Friday. The flyer should be 1 by 1. The reason why I specify it to be 1 by 1 is that so that it can be usable on any platform. Do you get it now? So I will leave this prompt, I will leave it as a document under this video, in the description under this video. All right, let me just copy this prompt. The prompts above here, you also find it inside the prompts, but the purpose of this video is not for the prompts above here. I've created a video on this before, the kitchen utensil flyer. So let me copy the prompt and then go inside ChatGPT. So I paste it there and then select create image. So you can make use of your phone or any device, phone, tablet or system to do this. You don't have to do it on your system. With your phone you can design your flyer for your business. You don't have to hire a graphic designer to help you do this. Let's go and create image. So once we have done that and you hit on send, and let's see what we are going to have. So while it is still processing, you can create flyer for, this one. I just use the word diagnostic center for the sake of tutorial. You can edit this template to fit in for your own company. Be it you are an engineering firm, you just have to edit. You are the one that know what your business is all about. You are the one that knows some discounts, some benefits your customers, clients, or whatever name you call your customer. You are the one that know what they tend to enjoy from your company, the offers available. So just ensure you edit that part of enjoy discounts there, so that before you send the prompt to get it. And then by the time the thing is done, what you get, if it's different from what you expect, you can actually edit it. Let's wait for it to fully draft what we have for this prompt. Okay, our video is fully our image is fully generated. Let me click on it so that you can see the whole preview of. So you can see previous diagnosis stand. You can see in a short seconds we have created a flyer. See you next time. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for wonderful contents like this. Thank you. See you next time.